Bad AI output is almost never the AI's fault. It's the prompt. These 5 techniques will immediately improve every answer you get from ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini starting today. Technique 1. Role assignment. Start with, you are a senior SAP basis consultant with 15 years of HANA experience. The AI immediately shifts its vocabulary, depth and assumptions. This single change improves output quality by roughly 30%, and it takes 3 seconds to add. Technique 2. Give examples. Instead of saying, write a HANA performance alert email, paste a good example first, then say, write one like this for this incident. Showing beats telling every time. The AI matches tone, format, and depth from your example automatically. Technique 3. Chain of thought. End your prompt with, think step by step before answering. The AI slows down, reasons through the problem, and catches its own errors. Essential for complex technical analysis. This single phrase reduces hallucinations significantly on multi-step problems. Technique 4. Constrain the output. Tell the AI exactly what format you want. For example, give me 5 bullet points, no intro paragraph, maximum 50 words each. Vague prompts get vague answers. The more specific you are about format, the more useful the response. Technique 5. Iterative refinement. Treat AI as a collaborator, not a one-shot tool. After getting an answer, say, make it more technical, or add a HANA example, or shorten to 3 points. The best output is usually the third iteration. Save your best prompts in a personal library. Combine all 5 role, examples, chain of thought, constraints, and iteration, and you become the most productive engineer in your team. If you want 25 ready-made SAP basis prompt templates, check the link in the description.